Trekking is to break through the ordinary. Leaping is to reach the top. With lofty dreams, we have built the indestructible and pioneering Oasis brand. We sincerely appreciate you joining Oasis on this wonderful journey. Founded in 1997, Jinan Oasis Dry Cleaning and Laundry Equipment Company is located in the beautiful spring city of Jinan, China. The factory occupies a construction area of 130,000 square meters. We are one of the leading high-end commercial laundry equipment manufacturers in China, with the industry-leading hardware strength and the most comprehensive product range. We specialize in the R&D, manufacturing and sales of high-end, environmentally friendly, and energy-saving laundry equipment, providing customers with more than 200 kinds of products. Products include high-end, environmentally friendly dry cleaning machines, soft-mount high-speed washer extractors, energy-efficient tumble dryers, textile finishing equipment, self-service laundry equipment, garment finishing equipment, laundry factory automation control system, etc. We have been serving laundry factories, hotels, hospitals, schools, laundromat chains, and various application places. Oasis has become the first choice of global customers with our industry-leading innovation and R&D level, rich product range, excellent product quality, and maximized manufacturing scalability. Oasis embraces the mission of winning the market with quality and seeking development with reputation. We have been insisting on independent production and processing since our establishment. We have 4 commercial washing machine production lines, 2 tumble dryer lines, 1 dry cleaning machine production line, 1 tunnel washer production line, 1 textile and garment finishing equipment production line, and mechanical processing lines. Quality is our top priority. With a comprehensive quality control system, we are dedicated to achieving excellence in every aspect of the production and testing process. We continue to introduce the world's leading high-end production and processing equipment to ensure the standardization and automation of our production process. Japanese Amada Robot Automatic Welding System, Amada Fiber Laser Punch Combination Machine, Amada 9000 Watt Fiber Laser Cutting System, CNC Turret Punch Press, Automatic Loading and Unloading System, CNC Press Brake, Time Savers Rotary Brush Dry Machine, Davy Plate Roll Bending Machine, Uramax CNC Turret Punch Press, Komatsu Plasma Cutting Machine, CNC Machining Center, 1600-ton hydraulic press, 1000-ton hydraulic press, 30,000-watt CNC laser cutting machine, cut-to-length production line, etc. Our extraordinary production and processing capabilities effectively guarantee the aesthetics, quality and stability of our products, while also effectively fulfill the various customization needs of our customers. Our dedication and efforts have earned us trust and praise by global partners and customers. Oasis brand has become a symbol of quality and credibility in the market, and our market influence is continuously expanding. With sales and service networks globally, we have been far ahead in the market for more than 10 consecutive years. In recent years, we have ranked first in the export volume among Chinese commercial laundry equipment manufacturers. As an industry leader, Oasis adheres to the requirements of the ISO 9001 and the National Military Quality Management Systems. Oasis also adheres to world-class benchmarks. Our products have obtained the CE certification, the ETL certification, and many other international certifications. Meanwhile, we have more than 50 patents and copyrights. We are also proud to be awarded many national and industrial honors, including National High-Tech Enterprise, well-known brand in the national washing and dyeing industry, National Gazelle Enterprise, top 10 national brands in the washing machinery industry, and top 100 national light industry enterprises. Countless honors have witnessed the glorious footprint of Oasis. Oasis has built an elite team and embraced the corporate value of integrity, innovation, quality, and service. We will continue setting up an ideal stage for the realization of values, for achieving every dream, to benefit the society, and to influence the future. With a broad mindset and high aspirations, Oasis will remain committed to being down to earth and enterprising, and continuously improve the quality of our product and services. We actively pursue opportunities for greater openness and foster mutually successful relationships with global partners. Join Oasis now on this wonderful journey and let Oasis spread all over the world. Jinan Oasis, dry cleaning and laundry equipment company,